So I need to go over this. Right now, we have home, about all our services, our products, blogs, and contact. But on our home page, let me this button up online. So I'm going to upload the video immediately after the class so that you guys can download it on your different devices and watch to learn the basics. So we have home. Okay, this is people. Welcome. We have pages. We want to eradicate all of them. We want to have just all these we have. All these we got. Okay? All we need to do is please, if you are just want to maintain a perfect silence, kindly mute your mic, please. Mute your mic, Grace, mute your mic. You will still be hearing us. It's just that you won't be able to talk. And I don't think we need you right now. Okay. So we have this home, about us, our service, our product, client, blogs, and contacts. That's all we've got. So to get that here, go to my blog, whatever name you have, just click here and navigate to dashboard. So what we are having is similar. Let me leave this to this. So let's go to dashboard right now. So then you go to appearance, then you go to menu. So we want to create a menu item that is similar to this. So all we need to do is, now we have all the menus we have here. All the menus we have here, we have, so we have all the menus here, we have home. So click on box select right now and delete all this page. Delete all this page. Please kindly mute your phone or your devices so that we can have a perfect delete all of these. Delete all of these. We don't need them. Delete all of these. Delete all of them. We want to create our own menu and still yet having it on our home page. We don't actually need all of this. Okay, we will need this. We need one of these. So let's first delete them. Let's first remove selected item. So now let's save the changes. When we save the changes, you can right click on this and click on visit site. Actually, in the video sections, I have a pre-recorded video. You have how to work with all these menus we have here. I want to keep it short. That's why I'm not going to go through everything you have here. So we have home and we have contacts. If you look at what we have here, our menu must have changed to home and contact. So let's add other menus because I think we have home and contact. So let's add other menus. We have so let's add other menus. Let's go ahead and add other menus. We have home. The next thing is about us. Now under this page, click on view all, or you can search as well. You can click on search for about. So you have about, you see all the about us page. Click on this about and click on add menu. The about us menu will be added. Our services. Click on search for our services. Our services. We have our services here. Add the menu. Then what other menus do we have here? Our products. We may not have our products here. So we don't have our products here. So we can create a custom link for that. Here, click on put hash, click on our products and click on add. Immediately you can see that all these things are added. Then you click on clients. We may not have clients here. Click on clients. Sorry, the URL, just put hash here, click on clients. Now, this simply means that this URL is not going anywhere. So we have clients, then what we have blogs and contact us. The Okay, we have blog here. Under pages, we have blog. We're just creating a blog. So just search for blog, click on blog, click on ads. Then we have, now let's save our menu. Now, once this is saved, on the home page here, we have something that is unique and professional. So something that is unique and professional. My goal for this training is to help our youth, help as many who want to become, who wants to have additional source of income, because the inflation rate itself is killing. Imagine someone that earns 6,500,000 per month, and the cost of transportation, the cost of feeding and keeping, how would they have savings? What about how would they do things for themselves? So that's why, you know, if you have additional source of income, my goal is to help as many additional source of income. You can reach out to companies, individuals, do social media marketing. People will respond to people that want to start their business and all of that. And even if at all, if you want to start your own business, you may not need to hire a developer. Something you can go through and do yourself. That will cost you savings. That will cost to save your expenditure. It will save your running cost. So all these things are there. Now, one important thing you need to look is home, contact us, about us, our services, product page, clients, and blogs. They are not in order. It should be home, about us, our services, our product, client, blogs, and contact. So how do we do that? Come back to your menu, click and drag. Contact should be the last. Home, about us, our services, our product, client, blogs. So you can see home, about us, our services, our product, client, blog. Everything is in order now. So let's save the changes now. So you can just drag. If you want our services to come before about us in your own design, you can drag it there. Please kindly mute your mic, mute your device, mute your device. It's all right. I've moved the device for you, along for me or whoever. So we have all this. So if I refresh my page, our product comes before about us. So that's how you are going to be clicking and dragging until you arrange a page. So let's assume that you have sub-page, like you have a child of like about. Sometimes some company will give you content. We have about us. We have our vision, our mission, and they want it to be all those things. They want it to be a page on their own. Let me quickly do that on the page. It's different from what we actually designed, but I'm using that media to make the thing more easy for you. Click on custom page, put the hash, put our vision, click on add menu. Do the same thing for our mission too. So, and our vision and our mission supposed to be under the About Us page. Just click and drag it under the About Us page and drag it forward. Click and drag it forward. So, and you save the changes. So if you refresh the page now, you will find out that the About Us already have some child under them that when you hover, it will gives you let's fresh page. So to save our time, it's 12 already, and you can click on this, you can say our vision, and which will be each page entirely. So let's start with this. We are done with the menu. Let's start with editing the content. Now, you click on the front page of the website. There is something we call Elementor. You can see we're almost done with the website. We have not even written any single HTML or CSS code or whatever it is. Though we offer all those codes, we offer trainings in all the codes in our office, and we have some online students as well too. And very soon, if you stick around, you'll be one of those. Oh, Superami, I don't know if you are still outside, but I think you should be inside now. Okay. let me check that. Ferami, you are inside. Okay, maybe the message has been sent some minutes back. So we have some students, we are launching something now that in no time you guys can as well learn anything called tech. We are making it simple. We are bringing training up for you guys. So let's go ahead. We have what we call Elementor. When you offer on Elementor, what you see is header one mobile side panel footer. So header one is this header. We have header, all this from MaxBiz logo, the text and all of that. The color for all this, they are header one. And this is the slider. This is the footer. Scroll down, you have the footer here. You have the footer here. So that's what we have. And we have header mobile. That is for mobile logo. I will still come back to that. But let's quickly go into this header one because of our time. I only want us to make some modifications so that you can follow through all the video courses and all of that. Click on header one. So if you have purchased your domain name, you can as well start all these things after this class. But if you have not purchased your domain name and you still need guidance on how to purchase your domain name for your business, you can private chat me. You can buy the domain name. Instead of buying that huge server, we will give you a very cheap server that will help you to build your business with around 10,000. Instead of paying that huge, we will set up almost everything up for you. So now let's go ahead. Got it. So I've edited the header one now. The first thing is have questions, call. Just double click inside. You will see the text here. I'll post my phone number +234 80 67 42 16 33. You can update that. That is done. Now, for example, this is what we are working with. I have this, okay, the logo, then the office address. So I'm going to modify the office address as well. Visit office address is U16. Okay, I'll update that. Now, if you look at this icon, you will find out that our home color is blue and what we have here is red. So let's click on the style, the icon style. Let's first change the icon style. Our color is 0099FF, 0099FF. Enter. You can see we have it here. Now click on this as well. Go to style, go to color, 0099FF. Now that's on that. We'll update it. So we are done with that. The next thing is for us to change our logo. Click on the logo, choose an image. You need to upload your image right now. I don't think I have. Okay, let me search logo. If we have Comfort Developers logo here. If we don't, we can always download the logo and upload it again. Or it should be in a download. We should have it in downloads. So I'll click on this logo, open the logo. So we'll still come back to delete all of these demo. Want yourself. I'll choose this logo. I will insert the media. Server error is saying server error. Let's see what's wrong. Let me refresh this page. Let me see if this has actually been updated. Let me go back here. Let me visit the website. Let's visit the website for the list. Okay, if you see something like this, occasionally it is for security purpose, for security of the website. It's asking us select a staircase. We want to be sure. We want the security that was on this hosting to be sure that this is not being hacked or something. So let me choose this image. Let me delete the image. Let's update this first. Let's see. Let's choose our own image. I'm choosing this inside the media. So I have the image now. The width can be adjusted and drag the width and click OK. So if I refresh my page now, I should have something different to what we've been having. So another thing is the section that holds this. Just click on the edit section here. Click on the style, change the color 0099FF. So we have the stuff right now. So I will update this. So the next thing for you to do is, if you refresh our website, we already have something similar to this. And if you want our menus to be in capital letter, we can always do that as well. I think you should be able to do that from the point of writing the menus. I don't know if they provide the option for that here. Typography, let me see. It's not here actually, but there are teams that provide typography, alignment, and things like that. If this team doesn't provide it, it's not a crime. We can always do that at our point of writing the menu. Let me show you that. Let me show you that so that I won't just be saying something that it will be hard for you to understand. So let me finish up with this first before I go to that. Click on edit code. I will delete this. I'll put a link here because we don't have any web app here. I'll just click on client ticket login. I will type client ticket login. So, and when looking at it, the style, the text is white. Always change the text to white. The background, the color for the background is what? 0099FF. So, and when looking at it, we have border. Border is a line drawn around the element. So you can say 0. You can say 0. Border radius. Okay, you can leave the border radius here. Padding, you can leave the padding, and we can reduce the padding if you want to. Let's say you are using 20 now. Let's say you are using 18, or let's say 16 or 2. So that we have a rhyme and a color. The color. Okay, let's update this. Let's see what we have on the outside first. There are a lot of things we are going to do, and there are a lot of things that these things will offer. So you can see it's similar to what we have here, right here. It's similar. This is how we go on and on till we continue editing all the sections. You can see we have not written any codes, and we have done something very, very important, something that is amazing that you can as well do. Now, let me go to the next section. I hope we are learning. I hope we are learning. The next section is the section for our slider. The next section is the section for our slider. So now, for us to edit our slider, we will go to Slider Revolution and click on Slider 1. Slider Revolution and Slider 1. Now, already we have some images here for our slider, but this time around, I don't have this image right now, but we can as well look for another image. It's about getting the right image for your slider. Now, this is, we are done with this. We can close this. For our Slider Revolution, yes, I'm fine. I agree sharing that I didn't know my slider evolution is a good development team to help me. I can say no thanks. I don't need them. I am sure what I want to do. So here is the slider evolution. There are a lot of things to learn here actually, and I'm going to take you hand in hand, one by one, until we get all of these things. So we have slider evolution. Now the content we have here is welcome to Comfort Developers. We build state of the art and course. Okay. Now, as far as this slider is concerned, we have up to 2 or 3 different sliders on this page. So we can come down here and see the different sliders we have. We have sliders, we have slider 1, slider 2, and slider 3. So let's say my slider 1 is, we start going, let me check what we have in slider 2. We innovate, we build, we deliver. Let me check what we have in slider 3. Okay, so these are all what we have. So let me start with slider 1. So I can say, welcome to, double click on this text. At the front here, you see, welcome, start today. Welcome to Comfort Developer. So then we can come here, click on this text and say, we build state of the art. We build cost-effective websites. So if the size is big, you have some things, it depends on, you have some properties. Let me check where I can get that. Okay, sorry. Let me still stick to my content. We have styles here where you can do some modifications. Like the size of the text is A70, I can say medium bold. I can reduce the size to 400 regular. That's a bold. You can say, okay, 140 something pixel. I can reduce the size to something 45. So let's say I'm good to go with this. I can increase this boldness to 700 volts, and I say I can save the changes. Now, if I save the changes, I can copy this URL and go access Control T to check it. Open a new tab. Just Control T on your keyboard to open a new tab. I hope you guys are hearing me, and I hope we are making sense. Oh, sorry. I hope we are making sense. Please, if you are seeing the class, let me know. Unmute yourself just 1 second. Let me know if I'm making sense. Now, these things that I'm building can be done in a day or two, and you can make 80 to 100,000 naira from a client, even more than that from a client. If I can dedicate a day like this, you can see we're almost done with the whole page. And sometimes a client will just give you 5-page or 6-page websites to build. So that's on that. So let's go ahead. We can see welcome. Okay, this is not the first slide I did. This is say you have the other slider here. I think this is not the slider that was edited. This is the first one. Okay, I think we edit the first one. Okay, now there's a challenge here. It's not really a challenge, but it's something that you need to get used to. Now, once we have saved the changes here, we are expecting the changes to reflect from the front end here. Occasionally, it may not reflect. The fact is that, okay, if it doesn't reflect like this, first delay the catch. If the catch is deleted and still yet it doesn't reflect, there's one more thing you need to do, which I'm still going to show you how to do that one. Okay, you can see once you delete the catch, it is what? The content has been changed. Now we only edit the first one. Now let's go on and edit. We are still on this. We about join our online training. So now, click on button. Once you the button read more, go to style, scroll down, you will see the BG color, change the BG color to our desired color, which is 0099FF. That's our blue color, is our identity. You see all our shirt coming up with that color. That's on that. Now we have this on hover to this. Click on this button. When you scroll, you will see that this button, on over to this button, we have over design here. On over to this button, we have red. Okay, so we have 10 minutes to go. We have the BG button to be 0099FF. 0099FF. All right, I think I'm almost done with this. Let's save the changes. Let's refresh our website. Let's just make it like that. Okay, let's change the background picture as well for this. Let's change the background picture. To change the background, just click on this. Browse the media background you want to use. I'm uploading a picture. I want to make it very, very brief. If you are smart like me, what we have learned today is enough for you to build a website. So I'm going to use this picture. It actually, no, let's just use this picture. We couldn't get, okay, the picture size is too big. Let me select another picture. Let me use this picture. The size for this should not be too big. So it's just the background picture, and I'll say insert. Once I'm insert, you can see, don't worry about the picture. It's just showing you how to modify that. Now, the question you will now like to ask me is this: how am I going to get this team at an affordable price? If I need to use this amount to buy this team, already have the team, and I've been showing you how to do that. I only want to give this opportunity to few people who are really, really serious. I'm going to share the video. Those who are not online can watch it as well. And I'm going to be in now on Monday, because I will be releasing another batch of the training. So I'll be, oh, you are a bit late, sir. Sorry for that. I know you want to learn. I'm going to release this offer. This is what we have done, which is similar to Comfort Developers. And you can charge your client 150,000 or 200,000 for this type of website, which you can finish in a day or two. If you are a dedicated person, you can finish it in 12 hours. Once you have the content, your client gives you their content. So I want to follow up just 5 to 10 people. I'm going to be giving, instead of you buying this team at the rate of 40-something thousand, maybe 45,000 or thereabouts, I'm going to be giving you this team and all other team on how to, edit all these websites with just a token amount of 4,999 naira. The link will be shared. And once you make payment for that, you will have access to this team. Or you can, if you don't want to have access, and I will guide you to buy your domain name to us. We will work together hand in hand, and you will build your first WordPress website professional. It could be for your business. I will guide you. That one is just an access fee, like a token of my time. To build your first website, I will guide you on what you need. I will give you this team. You will modify it, you will install it, you will buy domain. I'll guide you to get the domain name and hosting. If you want to do that, you'll buy I've shared the video. I think the first class we did that, where you can get domain name and hosting, what you need to buy and all of that. So instead of you buying this team at $59, that is about 40 something thousand naira, for 3,666 naira. I'll be giving you access to that with just 4,999 naira. I'll share the link with you guys. This is the payment link. Once you have done that, you can send me the mail. You can send me a WhatsApp. I will drop the team, and I will guide you from A to Z how to buy your domain name, how to buy the hosting, get it activated, and have your website running. Immediately you have access to the team. So that is on that. And I will also take you through on how to modify this. Already the things we've done, how you can install team, do that, and how you can check the mobile as well. The mobile responsive is wow. And refresh this to see the mobile fashion. The mobile responsive is wow. You can be a web consultant and be earning more than a bank manager. Yes, I have some bank managers friends that their earning is less than 300,000 naira. So I'm giving you access to that for, then the offer will go within now Monday, and after Monday, that's on the 11th of October, the price will change to 10,000 naira, because I know many people will watch this video in the course of the this thing, and they will as well come for the offer. If you are making use of the offer right now, the payment link will drop in their WhatsApp group, and you can make payment as sharp as soon as possible for you to be a part of this offer. Thank you for your time. The questions you might be having will be one-on-one, because I have other things to attend to. I will attend to your question one-on-one. If you are watching the video, if you are having any issue, and if you don't want to buy the team, if you are not getting the team, it's not a problem. Just write me if you are trying to work around with the team, with the videos, and you are having challenge. The videos will be posted. The 3 videos will be posted on the group that you can follow us. Other trainings will be coming up, and we'll be giving you a discount offer. If you want my one-on-one training, if you are coming to our office, front end is 150,000, and back end is 200,000 naira right now. So, and if you are learning WordPress alone with digital marketing, it is 100,000 naira. But for the value, for the time you have spent with me today, I'm giving you this offer, and this will be the cheapest offer. This offer runs in now on Monday, and the price will change. I don't know how much I'm going to change it. I'm thinking of 10,000 naira, but I'm not yet 100% sure of the price. So you have access to the team. You will have access to complete videos on how to modify all of this. Thank you. But for this training, the video will be posted. So if you have any question, we have less than 3 minutes to go. Okay, if you are taking, someone is asking a question, how much is the cost? If you are making payments now, the cost is just 5,000 naira. But if you are waiting till maybe Monday or Tuesday, the price will increase. Oh, you went offline before, don't worry, it's just 5,000 naira if you are making the payment right now. And someone is asking a question. Just 5,000 naira to have access to the team, not only the team. I will follow you up, and you will do what? You will build your first professional website. Taking a look at this, you will do something, even it will be different from this. You will choose your color, we will work with you hand in hand. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate you. I will drop the video link once I've uploaded it, let's say before some minutes after this class. Thank you. I'll be waiting for your chat, your payment details. I'll drop the link for the payments in the group. All right. So I will end the class now, then we can keep on with chatting to the end of the class.